Hello, girls and boys. Welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this class, we will be learning example 1.23. If you check out my playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the example problems and exercise problems with solutions. It would be helpful for you. The video link is in the description box. Do check it out. Now we can see the question. Here the question is if f of x equals 2x plus 3 comma g of x equals 1 minus 2x and h of x equals 3x, prove, prove that f of g of h equals f of g of h. This problem also coming under the topic of composition of function. If you don't know what is composition of function, check out the video. In that video, the whole explanation is there. It's all about composition of function. The video link is in the description box. In all the previous example problems we are given only two functions, but here we are given three functions. What is that? F of x, g of x and h of x. Okay, this problem also very easy. We can start solving the problem. Here I have written the question. The question is prove that f of g of h equals f of g of h. So first we'll be solving the left side, LHS. Okay, that is f of g of h. For that we need to solve what is inside first. That is g of h. Okay, what is LHS? F of g of h. We are going to find out the answer of f of g of h. So first I'm solving g of h. G of h means we can expand like this, g of h of x. Okay, the same thing we have followed, what we have followed in previous problems. Okay, this is the concept of composition of function. G of h, the expansion of g of h is g of h of x. Now before that I have to write the given information. What is given in the question? In the question, what is given? F of x is given. What is f of x? F of x equals 2x plus 3 and g of x equal 1 minus 2x. H of x equals 3x. This is given in the question. Okay, now we'll be solving the thing what is inside of the bracket, that is g of h. So the expansion of g of h is g of h of x. Okay, the expansion should be like this. This is the basic of the composition of function. Now I am going to apply the values of h of x here. Because here what is first function, what is second function? First function is g, right? Second function is h. So what is the rule in composition of function? We have two rules, right? First one is we have to apply the second function first, and in that result should be applied in first function. That is the concept. You should not forget this. That is the rule you have to follow in the concept of composition of function. So here I am applying second one, h of x, right? What is h of x? H of x is 3x, right? So 3x. Now I have to apply 3x in place of x in this gx formula. Okay, in this formula, what is gx? 1 minus 2x. I'm applying x value. Here what is x? 3x, right? 3x. How we can simplify this? How we can simplify this? 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6, right? 6x. This is the answer of what? 1 minus 2x. G of h. We have gotten G of h equals 1 minus 6x, right? And then we need to find out f of g of h. F of g of h. F of g of h. We are going to simply apply the value of g of h here. F of g of h, 1 minus 6x. We should not write this off. F of g of h value is 1 minus x. Okay, then now what we have to do is we have to apply this x value in this formula, f of x formula. Okay, what is f of x here? Here 2x plus 3. F of x is 2x plus 3. That is given in the question. 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. I should apply this value in place of x in this f of x formula. Okay, here f of x is 2x plus 3. So what would be the next step? 2 into x value is 1 minus 6x. 1 minus 6x plus 3. Alright. What would be the next step? 2 into 1 minus 6x. What is 2 into 1? 2. Then what is 2 into minus 6? Minus 12. Here x should be coming. So 2 minus 12x plus 3. Right? Then what should be the next step? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, right? 5 minus 12x. This is the answer of f of g of h. We found the answer of LHS, left hand side. And now we'll be solving right hand side. That is f of g of h. Okay. For this, we are going to follow the same thing. What we are going to do is we are going to solve first f of g first. That is in the bracket. I'm going to find out the value of f of g. How we can expand f of g? We can write f of g of x. Okay. Now, here what is first function, what is second function? Here f is first function, g is second function. Now we should apply the value of g of x here. What is g of x? Actually, what is given in the question? F of x equals 2x plus 3. G of x equals 1 minus 2x. H of x equal 3x. Right? This is given in the question. I should apply value of g of x. What is g of x? 1 minus 2x. Right. Then I should apply the value 1 minus 2x in the place of x in f formula. Right? What is f of x formula? 2x plus 3. 2 into x value is 1 minus 2x. Right? 2x plus 3. So after simplification, what would be the next step? 2 into 1 minus 2x. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2 into 2, 4x, right? Plus 3. The answer is 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 4x. That is the answer of f of g, right? Then, actually, what is RHS? What is right hand side? F of g. Already f of g of h. We found the value of f of g. Now, we can find the value of f of g of h. F of g of h. We can write f of g of h's, f of g of h of x. This is the expansion of this one. So now I should apply the value of h of x. What is h of x here? That is given in the question. H of x is 3x, right? So f of g into 3x. Then we have to apply this value. That next rule is we should apply the value 3x in place of x in f of g formula. What is f of g? We have gotten the value 5 minus 4x, right? Just now we had found the value. I'm writing f of g equal to 5 minus 4x. So we have to apply 3x in place of x in this f of g formula. So here, what should be the next step? 5 minus 4 into 3x. X value is 3x, right? Then next 5 minus 3 into 4 into 3, 12. 12x. 5 minus 12x. This is equation number 2. Value of f of g of h. So just check out the equation number 1 and 2. It's equal or not. Here we have gotten the equation number 1, 5 minus 12x, and also equation number 2 also 5 minus 12x. Hence, it is proved that f of g of h is equal to f of g of h. What would be the answer? Hence, it is proved that f of g of h equal to f of g of h. This is all about example 1.23. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, do thumbs up Share it with your friends. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.